Need to download your code from Google Colab but not sure which option to choose? Don't worry, this video will walk you through every step so you don't miss anything. First, open your Google Colab notebook in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the Google account where your notebook is saved. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the menu bar with options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on File. When the drop-down menu opens, move your cursor down and hover over Download. Don't click yet, just hover. This will open another menu with multiple download options. Now you'll see a few formats you can choose from. Download as .py. Choose this option if you only want the raw Python code. This removes all outputs, text cells, and comments, giving you a clean Python script that you can run locally or upload to another project. Download as .ipynb. Choose this option if you want everything: your code, outputs, markdown notes, and formatting. This is the best option if you want to reopen the notebook later in Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook. Click the format that best fits your needs. Once you click it, Google Colab will automatically download the file. There's no confirmation pop-up, it just starts downloading right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your code from Google Colab. Super easy once you know where to click. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.